What is a characteristic of the ideological identity of individuals in political parties? A. They have a fluctuating ideological identity. B. They have a narrow ideological identity. C. They have a broad ideological identity. D. They have no ideological identity. The correct answer is C. They have a broad ideological identity. What does diversity imply in the context of society? A. Difference and variety. B. Conflict. C. Uniformity. D. Hierarchy. The correct answer is A. Difference and variety. What concept did Gandhi advocate, emphasizing self-rule by the people? A. Socialism. B. Swaraj. C. Democracy. D. Capitalism. The correct answer is B. Swaraj. From which report is the data on road accidents sourced? A. Road Safety Annual Review. B. Global Traffic Safety Report. C. World Health Report. D. Accidents India 2016 Report. The correct answer is D. Accidents India 2016 Report. Besides the meaning, what else is a learning objective related to democracy? A. It's economics. B. It's philosophy. C. It's history. D. It's types. The correct answer is D. It's types. Which of the following governmental bodies is not mentioned as having members eligible to vote in the election of neighboring states? A. Rajya Sabha. B. Legislative Council of the state. C. Vice President's Office. D. President's Office. The correct answer is C. Vice President's Office. What information is inscribed on the walls of the National War Memorial? A. Founding dates of military units. B. Historical battle dates. C. Names of martyred armed forces personnel. D. Names of Indian leaders. The correct answer is C. Names of martyred armed forces personnel. What geographical features are isthmuses? A. Isthmuses. B. Plateaus. C. Oceans. D. Seas. The correct answer is A. Isthmuses. What animal is chosen from the Sarnath pillar of Ashoka as India's emblem? A. Peacocks. B. Elephants. C. Tigers. D. Lions. The correct answer is D. Lions. What is the name of India's national anthem? A. Vande Mataram. B. Jana Gana Mana. C. Sare Jahan Se Acha. D. Jai Ho. The correct answer is B. Jana Gana Mana. What kind of activity allows users to learn about the structure of government in India? A. Field trip. B. Library research. C. Group discussion. D. ICT corner. The correct answer is D. ICT corner. What is a set of fundamental principles or established precedents governing a state or organization? A. Inequality. B. Constitution. C. Discrimination. D. Stereotype. The correct answer is B. Constitution. What kind of information is crucial for products where safety or public health is a concern? A. Price comparisons. B. Marketing slogans. C. Customer testimonials. D. Detailed product information. The correct answer is D. Detailed product information. What does the state endeavor to promote in its external affairs? A. International peace and security. B. Cultural isolation. C. Economic self-sufficiency. D. Military dominance. The correct answer is A. International peace and security. Based on what are villages divided into wards? A. Population. B. Number of houses. C. Area. D. Political affiliation. The correct answer is A. Population. What concept is pushed forward by increases in literacy rates? A. Development in struggling regions. B. Increased human trafficking. C. Reduced GDP. D. Decreased income potential. The correct answer is A. Development in struggling regions. Who can be sentenced to imprisonment by the CCPA for a false or misleading advertisement? A. State Commission members. B. Consumers. C. District Forum members. D. Manufacturers or endorsers. The correct answer is D. Manufacturers or endorsers. Which organization is responsible for quick response ambulances on national highways? A. Indian Red Cross Society. B. Ministry of Transport. C. National Highway Authority of India, NHAI. D. State Police Departments. The correct answer is C. National Highway Authority of India, NHAI. What is one way to classify media? A. By its revenue. B. By its audience. C. By its ownership. D. By its type. The correct answer is D. By its type. How long did Manimaran travel around the Big Banyan tree? A. 10 hours. B. A day. C. A few minutes. D. A few hours. The correct answer is C. A few minutes. What is India described as the birthplace of? A. Modern democratic systems in the world. B. Many faiths and multicultural beliefs. C. Global technological innovations. D. Industrial revolutions. The correct answer is B. Many faiths and multicultural beliefs. What age must a citizen attain to be given the voting right in India? A. 18 years. B. 17 years. C. 21 years. D. 16 years. The correct answer is B. 17 years. How many spokes does the Ashoka Chakra have? A. 18. B. 24. C. 32. D. 12. The correct answer is B. 24. People in different parts of India might differ in the kinds of food they A. Wear. B. Eat. C. Draw. D. Hear. The correct answer is B. Eat. Who can access the Kavalan SOS app during a critical situation? A. Only women. B. Only government officials. C. Only police officers. D. Anyone in a critical situation. The correct answer is D. Anyone in a critical situation. What details can be viewed by clicking on President from the left side menu on the provided website? A. Details of the Prime Minister. B. Details of the Speaker. C. Details of the Chief Justice. D. Details of the President. The correct answer is D. Details of the President. Citizenship can be deprived if an individual is disloyal to what? A. The Constitution. B. The national flag. C. The ruling political party. D. The current Prime Minister. The correct answer is A. The Constitution. What geographical feature is a strait between India and Sri Lanka? A. A strait between India and Sri Lanka. B. A plateau. C. A continent. D. An ocean. The correct answer is A. A strait between India and Sri Lanka. Which type of government regulation are consumer protection laws? A. Trade regulations. B. Environmental regulations. C. Consumer regulations. D. Financial regulations. The correct answer is C. Consumer regulations. What is one major issue faced by local self-governments mentioned in the text? A. Insufficient funding. B. Inadequate infrastructure. C. Problems and challenges. D. Lack of public participation. The correct answer is C. Problems and challenges. How did you score?